Hello, welcome back to session. Today we see top 10 HTML interview questions. First question is what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is the language of the World Wide Web. It is the standard text formatting language used for creating and displaying pages on the web. HTML documents are made up of two things, the content and the tags that format it for proper display on pages. Next question is difference between link tag and anchor tag. The anchor tag A is used to create a hyperlink to another web page or to a certain part of the web page. And these links are clickable, whereas link tag defines a link between a document and external resource, and these are not clickable. Third question is what are some of the common lists that can be used when designing a page? You can insert any or a combination of the following list types. First is the ordered list, unordered list, definition list, menu list, and directory list. So these are five lists. Fourth question, are the HTML tags and element the same thing? No. HTML elements are defined by a starting tag, may contain some content, and a closing tag. For example, h1 heading 1 h1 is a HTML element, but just h1 is a starting tag and h1 is a closing tag. What are the tags and attributes in HTML? Tags are primary component of the HTML that defines how the content will be structured or formatted, whereas attributes are used along with the HTML tags to define the characteristics of the element. For example, p align equal to center. Interview, interview question P is the align is the attribute using which we will align the paragraph to show in the center of the view. Okay. For paragraph, it uses p paragraph p tag. So, sixth question is what are void elements in HTML? HTML elements which do not have closing tags or do not need to be closed are void elements. For example, BR, images, HR, etc. Seventh question is what are HTML entities? In HTML, some characters are reverse like less than, greater than, slash, etc. To use these characters in our web page, we need to use the character entities called HTML entities. Below are few mapping between the reverse character and its respective entity character to be used. Character less than entity name and it entity number and so 60. Second is a less than and non-breaking space. Example 10 p.m. So these are character, entity name, and entity numbers. Eighth question: what is the advantage of clasping white space? In HTML, a blank sequence of white space characters is treated as a single space character because the browser collapses multiple spaces into a single space character, and this helps a developer to indent lines of text without worrying about the multiple space and maintain readability and understandability of HTML codes. Ninth question is what is the class attribute in HTML? The class attribute is used to specify the class name for an HTML element. Multiple elements in HTML can have the same class value. Also, it is mainly used to associate the styles written in the style sheet with the HTML elements. 10 question describe HTML layout structure. Every web page has different component to display the intended content and a specific UI. But still there are few things which are templated and are globally accepted way to structure the web page such as header. Header stores the starting information about the web page. Footer represents the last section of the page. Nav, the navigation menu of the HTML page. Article, it is a set of information. Section, it is used inside the article block to define the basic structure of a page. Or sidebar content of the page. Okay, so these are our top 10 HTML interview question. Thank you.